All right. How we are going to address 14, that's 14, is we're going to first write it as a fractional exponent. So this would be right there's the exponent, 2 is the root, so it's 3m to the 3 halves, right? Then I should do this, which is 1 over 3 to the 3 halves, m to the 3 halves. All right, now how many wholes, W-O-L-E, whole threes and m's do I have in there? So this 3 to the 3 over 2, right? That can be broken up. That's 1/2. That's 3 to the 1 times 3 to the 1/2. Same with the m. So now it looks like this. 3 to the 1 times 3 to the 1/2 times m to the 1 times m to the 1/2. Right? Now, this is the portion of the denominator that I have to rationalize. So let me do it. Now I'm going to write it 1 over 3m. That takes care of these two pieces. And then I have a square root of 3 and a square root of m. So I'm going to write it like this. So let's rationalize that denominator. Well, we always, when we're doing a square root, we multiply by this, don't we? Square root of 3m times the square root of 3m is 3m, isn't it? Which means in our denominator now we have 3 times 3 is 9, m times m is n squared. In my numerator, I have this. Okay? So you always want to find the whole pieces of something and leave the fractional part, because the fractional part is what you have to rationalize. All right, take a look at this and see what you think.